Welcome or welcome back to another video of me recreating every single granny square from this granny square sourcebook. Today's video is all about Themba the Elephant Square. And now this is a series of animals, so I believe there were 5 and we're at part 2. I did really enjoy the lion square from yesterday when I filmed this, but last week when you guys watched it, and I'm looking forward to this one. I've got my colors right here, so let's get started. Oh, I just read a note here that said some parts of this pattern are worked in continuous rounds. Do not join the rounds unless instructed to do so. And yesterday my math wasn't mathing right and it kept not landing correctly, so I kept having to edit. Maybe that's why. It worked out, so it's all good. Okay, perfect. On to the next round. We're off to the next color, and I'm going with yellow in the hopes that it'll join nicely with the lion from yesterday. Yeah, I'm sure it'll be fine. A yellow background is cute, right? Very childlike and naive, innocent. It'll be cute. Okay. Oh no, that was my last one. Shoot. So we're done with the base of the square. I am enjoying how easy this is working up. I wish I would have gone with green for the background. And then I could have added a little crown for what's the name of that show? Baba. I used to watch that when I was younger with my English grandmother. I'm not regretting my choice of color because yellow is going to be so cute, but I wish I had thought of that. Yeah, what do you think? That's what I was thinking of while I was making this. Single crochet 2 tog. Single crochet 2 together, maybe? Have I done this before and I don't remember? I did something and I think it works. So I'm starting a single crochet but not pulling it through both. I'm going in the next one and now I'm pulling it through everything, I think. I mean, it's doing what they're asking, which is making it smaller, and the math is landing correctly, so I feel pretty confident this works. Okay, I'm just gonna keep going. I don't want to Google it. I don't want to look if that's the right way to do it. I just want to pretend like I know what I'm doing, so. Okay, so I think this is the elephant-shaped ear that I was supposed to make. Okay, I'm unsure if that looks right. Once sewn in, I'm sure it'll be fine. I was supposed to continue with this color. They do have an ear shape, so I'm pretty happy with myself. Okay, the task is really simple. Definitely doesn't look like much, but I'll make it work. Okay, well, looks like all that's left is to assemble all this and add some little minor details, so. And voila. Oh, that is so cute. I am really enjoying much more these animal squares than I thought I would. I love how illustrated they are and super duper cute, and I mean super duper cute. I will say though that the sewing and weaving took way longer than I thought it would. I actually had a timer and it took me 32 minutes, and that was after I sewed in the first ear because I was like, oh, that's taking way longer than I thought. So I started a timer after that. Yeah, the eyes, the trunk, what are these? Tusks, and the second ear, all of that, way too long. But the final product being so cute, it's okay, all is forgiven. I also didn't really sew in the ears. As you can see, they kind of like curl back up, but that was on purpose because I thought it would add a nice 3D effect and it would be really cute. So I'm overall very happy with this. Actually, maybe I should have done that with the tusk as well. Tusk is the nose, right? No. Trunk. I was trying to say I should have done that with the trunk as well. That would have been cute, but it's still fine. Actually, I could have done the trunk like an actual 3D trunk. Maybe for a future project. Is it just me or it has like a slight mousy sense to it? I don't know how, but it's like the smallest animal with the biggest animal. I don't know why they look alike in my mind. They just do. They're gray, they have big ears. Maybe that's why. Anyway, so that's 2 animals down and 3 to go. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!